Hey guys, it's Scott from QA1. We're here at the 2016 PRI show. I'm here with Marshall Fagers, and we're going to talk about our new dirt late model drive shaft. So here's Marshall.
Hey everybody, like Scott said, I'm Marshall, here to show you two brand new dirt late model drive shafts we're happy to release. The first is a 3.2 inch diameter drive shaft. This one, we came out with a very similar shaft a few years ago. We are now machining the tube yokes a lot more. That gives you more U-joint misalignment angle, especially critical when the car's on the bars getting into the corner and the driver's on the brakes. We have 70-75 aluminum tube we make in-house, and these are working out really, really well. Just about every capital race car is running one of these drive shafts. The next one, probably the most exciting out of all the drive shafts we've done, is a new 2¼ inch diameter drive shaft designed for an open competition dirt late model, as well as WSOTA and IMCA. This drive shaft is different in the fact that it features traction twist technology. We developed this in-house, and the tube is designed to twist under load. So whereas a 3-inch diameter shaft with about 700 pounds of load will twist about 2 degrees, this will go to about 7 to 8 degrees. So that helps smooth out the RPMs, especially coming out of the corner when the car's on the bars, maybe the track is a little choppy. So it really helps to add traction coming out of the corner and down the straightaway. So we have a lot of other drive shafts on display. Best part of all, we make all the tubes in-house, the drive shafts completely in-house. The strongest and lightest shafts on the market. Check us out online or give us a call.
So Marshall, why would somebody use one of those drive shafts versus the other?
Well, either one will work in any condition. However, to get the most benefit out of each one, 3-inch is designed for rough or tacky tracks. With the less twist, you can get a little bit more tire spin, which you sometimes want to break the car loose, like getting into the corner, for example. And then when the track dries out, you're not using as much power, so you need a little bit more compliance built into the driveline. Just like we're doing with different shock mounts and chain limiters, cushioning and everything, the drive shaft takes the same theory, and we found an increase in traction.
And what are the horsepower?
We don't really rate them by horsepower per se, but these have been run all year in a 900 horsepower open competition dirt late model engine, as well as WSOTA spec engines with no issues.
And so we do have a used one on display too, don't we?
Yeah, actually this 3-inch one here, Scott Bloomquist ran a lot of last season testing the machine tube yokes for us. And if you look at the tag here, you see we have about 1,100 laps on it. We brought the used shaft. You don't really see a lot of used parts on display at the show. We brought that here to show how well they hold up. You know, a lot of people have concerns about carbon fiber not lasting or holding up very well on a rocky dirt track or something like that, but with the 3M matrix resin that we helped develop, the tube doesn't get beat up at all. A typical drive shaft, you wouldn't be able to go like this without cutting your hand all up. The tubes are really, really tough. 70-75 aluminum tube yokes hold up extremely well. So it's really a drive shaft. You put it in the car and you don't have to worry about it. And that was our main goal. Just make a drive shaft you don't have to worry about.
Great. All right. Well, that's it for today. We'll be back tomorrow with some more live videos. So tune in tomorrow right away at, I think the show opens at 9 o'clock Eastern time, so 8 o'clock Central, etc. So we'll talk to you then.